Welcome this video incorporating wood lamp are a great way to add warmth and chaptering to any room. Rustic lamp in principle can bring a choosy and natural embrace to your space. We explored some create rustic wood lamp design that you can use as inspire for your next project or home decor project. Rustic wood lamp design. Reclaim wood table lamp. Create a unique table lamp. Use reclaimed wood. You can use an old wood brick or a price of craft wood as the base and add a simple lamp shade on top. Wood's log lamp. Use the unnatural wood long as the base of your lamp. You can add a metal or wood lamp shade on top to create a rustic and embrace. Rustic wood fall lamp. Create a rustic wood fall lamp. Use a wood pop and a simple lamp shade. You can add some metal or wood decoration element to give it a more rustic lamp. Woods create lamp. Use an old wood crate as the base of your lamp. You can add a simple lampshade. You can add lamp on top and some metal or wood decoration elements to create a unique and rustic look. Live edge wood lamp. Create a live edge wood lamp. Use a price of natural wood with a long edge. You can add a simple lamp shade on top, some metal or wood decoration element to create